Hi, Rachel. So I'm a full-time New Yorker and I'm living here in Soho, so come on in. When I first saw this place, I walked in. I saw that there are windows not on one, not two, but 3 sides. I was like, oh yeah, this is the place for me. I like that everything is open. I feel like there's a lot of room for my dogs to run around in. This building, it was like 1895 is when it was built. It was the Silk Exchange building. Super cool, fell in love. I mean, look at these floors. These are the original hardwood floors in here. Another thing that I loved is all the wood that's around the windows. It just creates such a warm, I almost feel like I'm in a Parisian apartment when I'm in this place, and that's what I love. And my best friend, Christy Conaway, who is also my designer, she is the one. This is her creation. It's dark and it's moody and it's quirky, and that's what I love so much about this place. She captured me in this place. I love it. All right, Rachel, so here's the kitchen. Literally got done, what, 2 days ago. It was just kind of like gray and it was pretty, but it just wasn't me. And Christy was like, we're painting everything black. We redid the cabinets. She brought in all this like old pottery and wood bowls that I loved. And then she got all this brass hardware, the brass and the black. I mean, look how it just pops. I feel like these lights are like jewelry hanging off the ceiling. She wanted everything to be just completely cohesive, and it really works. My favorite part of the kitchen, my little bar cart. Don't look that my tequila bottles are almost empty. I don't know how that happened. And I really like this second bedroom because it's all black and white. There's no color in here, which is very me. This used to be brown wood, and she says, let's paint it black. And I'm like, okay, great, let's do it. So she just did that, and I think it's like so cool. And then my bedroom. I think this canopy bed looks really cool, like kind of very industrial, right? I think it really works. Look at all the columns. I've been really reluctant to put the window treatments up because I don't want to hide those. So like I'm getting these Roman shades that are going to get built up, so trying to show as much of it as possible. And I like that, like the color palette that Christy did in here is just like really serene. So, I mean, I sleep very well in this room, and so do my dogs. All right, so let me show you something that I think is pretty cool. There's a couple of these throughout my whole apartment. See these little marble things? Because this building is so old and it was the Silk Exchange building, these are old sink basins, right? Again, it's just weird and character. There's so much character around this place, and I just love them. Christy found this this treatment. It's this Portola paint. It's called Roman clay. When you first walk in, it's so moody and dramatic, and she really did it. So you can really see it in my little office. My office isn't completely done yet. You can really see how pretty it is, and I think it plays off of the wood really well. I'm real happy with this paint. All right, Rachel, thanks so much for coming over today. You know I love having you here. You have an open invitation. I love you so much. I'll see you soon.